Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website in Wix. First, sign up for a free Wix account and select a template that aligns with your vision. Wix offers hundreds of professionally designed options. Next, personalize your site by changing text, uploading your own images, and adjusting color schemes. This initial setup is quick and intuitive, getting you started in just a few minutes. Now, let's dive into customization. The Wix editor uses a simple drag-and-drop interface, allowing you to easily add sections, images, and videos. You can resize elements, change fonts, and apply animations to make your site dynamic. Remember to check the mobile view to ensure your design is responsive and looks perfect on smaller screens, reaching all your visitors effectively. To make your website truly functional, explore Wix's extensive app market. You can add features like an online store, booking system, or live chat with just a few clicks. Consider starting a blog to share valuable content and connect with your audience. Wix also provides built-in SEO tools to help your site rank higher in search results, attracting more organic traffic. Finally, it's time to launch your website. Before publishing, thoroughly review every page and test all links to ensure everything works perfectly. You can connect a custom domain name, giving your site a professional and memorable address. Once you're satisfied, simply click the Publish button. Your new Wix website will be live and ready for the world to see in moments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.